Hey guys, this is Dad Who Does. I'm here with Dad Who Doesn't, who dropped two 10mm bolts down in his Chrysler Pacifica. So we're gonna rescue him today and get him out of the jam.
I'm gonna be YouTube famous for all the wrong reasons.
All right.
Alright, I'm just saying screw it, I'm taking out the whole pan. Here,
As you should.
whatever.
All right, Gerald, what do you need
I
again?
need the metal thing.
It's actually called a magnet.
Yeah, thanks Dad Who Does. Alright. Alright, little bit thingy number one. What is this called?
Socket.
Socket number one. Well, I found something else.